Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to make Norway in Infinite Craft. First of all, we add water. Then, add water again, and it will become a lake. Add earth to the other side. Combine earth with earth, and it will become a mountain. Then, add mountain with lake, and it will become a fjord. Combine fjord with mountain, and it will become Norway. Now you can see Norway has been created in Infinite Craft. That was the way to make Norway in Infinite Craft. If you want more videos like this, please comment in the comments section. And if you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.